The phosphorus cycle is of great importance to gardeners and farmers as it plays a crucial role in the growth and development of plants. Phosphorus is a key nutrient that is essential for plant growth and is required for processes such as photosynthesis, respiration, and the production of DNA and ATP. In a garden or farm setting, plants rely on the availability of phosphorus in the soil to support healthy growth and development. The phosphorus cycle has several key steps. Weathering. The first step in the phosphorus cycle is the release of phosphorus from rocks and minerals through weathering processes. Over time, rocks and minerals containing phosphorus break down into smaller particles, releasing phosphorus into the soil and water. Absorption. Once phosphorus is released into the soil and water, it can be absorbed by plants and other organisms. Plants take up phosphorus through their roots, and then use it to grow and carry out various biological processes. Consumption. Animals consume plants and other organisms that contain phosphorus, and then use it to build tissues and carry out various biological processes. Decomposition. When plants and animals die, their tissues and waste products are broken down by decomposers such as bacteria and fungi. During this process, phosphorus is released back into the soil and water. Sedimentation. Over time, phosphorus can accumulate in sediments at the bottom of lakes, rivers, and oceans. Geological uplift. Eventually, geologic forces can lift these sediments back to the Earth's surface, where the phosphorus can once again be weathered and released into the ecosystem. However, the natural availability of phosphorus in soil can often be limited, particularly in soils that are heavily weathered or have been intensively farmed. As a result, gardeners and farmers often use fertilizers that contain phosphorus to increase the availability of this nutrient to plants. There are several ways that gardeners and farmers can manage the phosphorus cycle in their soil to ensure that plants have access to the phosphorus they need. One common approach is to add phosphorus-rich fertilizers to the soil, such as bone meal or rock phosphate. These fertilizers can help to increase the amount of available phosphorus in the soil and promote healthy plant growth. Another approach is to incorporate organic matter into the soil, such as compost or manure, which can also increase the availability of phosphorus. Organic matter contains phosphorus in a form that is more easily accessible to plants than inorganic forms of phosphorus found in many synthetic fertilizers. It is important to note, however, that excessive use of fertilizers containing phosphorus can lead to environmental problems such as eutrophication of waterways, which can have negative impacts on aquatic ecosystems. Therefore, it is important to use fertilizers judiciously and to monitor soil phosphorus levels to ensure that they are within an appropriate range. Overall, understanding the phosphorus cycle is crucial for gardeners and farmers as it helps them to manage the availability of this key nutrient in the soil, leading to healthier plants and a more sustainable gardening or farming practice.